You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, do like and subscribe. Our question is, a help desk technician is concerned that a client's network cable issues may be causing intermittent connectivity. Which of the following would help the technician determine if this is the issue? Option A, run the slow interface command on the switch. Option B, run the traceroute command on the server. Option C, run IPERF on the technician's desktop. Option D, ping the client's computer from the router. Option E, run a post scanner on the client's IP address. Correct answer is option B. Question is, two users on a LAN establish a video call. Which of the following OSI model layers ensures the initiation, coordination, and termination of the call? Option A, session. Option B, physical. Option C, transport. Option D, data link. Correct answer is option A. Question is, a network administrator is reviewing the network device logs on a syslog server. The messages are normal, but the stamps on the messages are incorrect. Which of the following actions should the administrator take to ensure the log message time stamps are correct? Option A, change the NTP settings on the network device. Option B, change the time on the syslog server. Option C, update the network device's firmware. Option D, adjust the timeout settings on the syslog server. Option E, adjust the SSH settings on the network device. Correct answer is option A. Question is, which of the following provides guidance to an employee about restricting non-business access to the company's video conferencing solution? Option A, acceptable use policy. Option B, data loss prevention. Option C, remote access policy. Option D, standard operating procedure. Correct answer is option A. Question is, which of the following can be used to decrease latency during periods of high utilization of a firewall? Option A, hot site. Option B, NIC teaming. Option C, HA pair. Option D, VRRP. Correct answer is option D. You can download the complete list of CompTIA based questions from the link provided in the description. Question is, an engineer is gathering data to determine the effectiveness of UPSs in use at remote retail locations. Which of the following statistics can the engineer use to determine the availability of the remote network equipment? Option A, uptime. Option B, net flow baseline. Option C, SNMP traps. Option D, interface statistics. Correct answer is option A. Question is, which of the following would be used when connecting devices that have different physical characteristics? Option A, a proxy server. Option B, an industrial control system. Option C, a load balancer. Option D, a media converter. Correct answer is option D. Question is, which of the following issues are present with RIPv2? Select two options. Option A, routing poisoning. Option B, time of converge. Option C, scalability. Option D, unicast. Option E, adjacent neighbors. Option F, maximum transmission unit. Correct answer is option A and option E. Question is, a network administrator is trying to add network redundancy for the server farm. Which of the following can the network administrator configure to best provide this capability? Option A, VRRP. Option B, DNS. Option C, UPS. Option D, RPO. Correct answer is option A. Question is, a network engineer needs to reduce the overhead of the file transfer. Which of the following configuration changes would accomplish this goal? Option A, link aggregation. Option B, jumbo frames. Option C, port security. Option D, flow control. Option E, lower FTP port. Correct answer is option A.